What is it like to remain at the top of a booming industry of a country for an incredible 4 decades? What does it take to stay in the race in an age of cutthroat competition? Vision, focus, passion, reliability. That's what we believe in. We are PURBANI. In the last 45 years, we have made our mark in Bangladesh's world-renowned apparel industry with sheer dedication and unmatched vision. We strive to produce eco-friendly, premium quality apparels. All 11 of our business entities, from Cox's Bazar to Sirajganj, with a dedicated workforce numbering in the thousands, help make this dream a reality every day.
How the PURBANI Group came into being, and then I have to go back in 1973 when I started trading company named PURBANI Traders. And mostly that time I was involved in trading of textiles like cotton yarn, dye stuff, those kind of things in Chittagong. We have now as many as 12 units. It's a composite unit. We're starting from spinning, knitting, dyeing, finishing, printing, fabric dyeing, fiber dyeing, and garments.
We have achieved the impressive feat of churning out a yearly turnover of $162 million. PURBANI invested in some of the best technologies in the world. Our spinning mills are capable of producing a 100% cotton, fancy yarns and blended yarns to cater to the denim, woven, knit and export-oriented sweater industries. And there is even more. In our automated rotor spinning unit, not only that the highly sophisticated machines being used increase the efficiency, but they also leave behind zero margin for errors. Our fabrics for apparel manufacturing units are equipped with cutting-edge European technology, producing high-quality knit fabrics. At every step of the way, we strive to ensure the finest quality. Our knitting unit has more than 100 knitting machines. Our yarn dyeing unit uses SSM precision winding machines, shoal dyeing machines, and Strayfield RF dryer to feed the fabrics unit. The fabric dyeing section has state-of-the-art dyeing and finishing machinery. Our high-precision testing and simulation equipment in our various laboratory facilities enable us to monitor and maintain the quality of our products. The printing unit uses the screen printing method to print on garments and has a daily capacity of 50,000 pieces. This is used for printing pigment photos, discharge, plastisol, rubber, crackle, high density, among others. Our long-running cutting and sewing units have made a name for themselves in garment manufacturing in the country. Adapting to the times, we have transformed the traditional cutting and sewing units into a more dynamic and highly efficient one. With consumer satisfaction in mind, our garments manufacturing units deliver products with the finest touch of elegance, which is why our products are well accepted to the global apparel market. We make an effort to serve the best of the best. With 11 well-reputed companies under our umbrella, we work for world-famous names such as H&M, Hema, Hanes, Kmart, Leros, Guess, Next, and other world-reputed brands. To this day, PURBANI continues to make a difference in thousands of lives by ensuring compliance with safety standards and promoting a work culture where employees feel belong. Our employees are our biggest asset. This means we do not compromise on employee safety and security, ensuring high employee morale, better workplace environment, and top standard amenities and facilities.
আমি সুইং অপারেটরের পাশাপাশি এখানে পিসি কমিটির সদস্য হিসাবেও কাজ করছি। আমাদের পিসি কমিটির কাজ হচ্ছে শ্রমিকরা যে কোনো সমস্যা আমাদেরকে এসে জানায় এবং আমরা সেটা মালিক পক্ষকে এসে জানাই এবং সেটা দ্রুত সমাধানের জন্য আমরা আবেদন করে থাকি।
আমাদের এখানে একটা মেডিকেল সার্ভিস আছে। আমরা যদি অসুস্থ হই বা কেউ যদি আহত হয় তো দ্রুত মেডিকেলে নিয়ে আসা হয়। এখানে দুটা নার্স আছে এবং কিন্তু দুটা ডাক্তার ভাইয়া আছে। এরা আমাদের অনেক সেবা দিয়ে থাকে।
আমরা স্বামী স্ত্রী দুইজনে এই জায়গায় চাকরি করি। এই জায়গায় একটা সাইকেল আছে, আমি এখানে বাচ্চা রাখতে পারতেছি বা বাচ্চা কান্নাকাটি করলে আমি এখানে আসতে পারি, আইসে দেখে যাইতে পারি। আমার এই কারণে অনেক ভালো লাগে।
আমাদের ফ্যাক্টরি থেকে প্রত্যেক বছরে আমরা পিকনিকে যাই। আমরা ছাড়া সবাই মিলে বন্ধুর মতো থাকি এবং সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠান করি। কেউ নাচ গান কৌতুক নানান রকম অনুষ্ঠান আমাদের এখানে হয়।
আমাদের এখানে প্রত্যেক মাসে ফায়ার ড্রিল করা হয়, ফায়ার ট্রেনিং করা হয়। যদি ফ্লোরে কোথাও অনাকাঙ্ক্ষিতভাবে আগুন লেগে যায় তাহলে আমরা সর্বপ্রথমে কল পয়েন্ট টানি, তারপরে পাওয়ার শাটডাউন করি, সেখানে উপস্থিত হই, কোন ধরনের আগুন লেগেছে এটা টাইপ দেখে আমরা তারপরে ফায়ার এক্সটিংগুইশার ব্যবহার করে আগুন নির্বাপন করার চেষ্টা করি।
We are as environmentally conscious as we are dedicated to producing high-quality products. For us, it's important to leave behind a clean environment for future generations. To ensure clean future, we have 2 high-capacity biological effluent treatment plants with a capacity of 150 cubic meters per hour to treat wastewater. PURBANI aims for sustainability that lies beyond the field of profit, and that is why we have set up a free medical centre consisting of certified doctors and nurses. Workers can get medical consultations, medicines and few therapeutic services absolutely free. Our efforts have been recognised with the certificates like Organic, Oikotex, Cotton USA, Accord, National Export Trophy and SAP S4HANA ERP. Milestones of PURBANI. 1973 obtained incorporation certificate and started cotton yarn trading. 1974 started fish processing plant in Cox's Bazar. 1977 attained exclusive dealership of a leading Thai yarn manufacturing. 1983 acquisition of Adarsh cotton mills from the government of Bangladesh and renamed as Sohagpur Textile Mills Limited. 1988 started ready-made garments manufacturing. 1994 started manufacturing of ready-made garments and fabrics at our own composite facilities in Ghazipur. 1996 became the pioneer of producing melange yarn in Bangladesh. 2000 started yarn dyeing manufacturing unit. 2001 production started at Karim Spinning Mills Limited, second spinning unit of PURBANI. 2002 production started at PURBANI Synthetic Spinning Limited, third spinning unit of PURBANI. 2006 production started at PURBANI Rotor Spinning Limited, fourth spinning unit of PURBANI. 2011 started production of fancy yarn. 2014 by establishing PURBANI Agro Processing Limited, PURBANI enters into agronomy. 2015 production started at PURBANI Fashion Limited, second ready-made garments unit of PURBANI. 2017 implemented by going live globally acclaimed SAP ERP software system, the largest ERP solution in the world. This year we accomplished our 45-year mark. To celebrate this most anticipated events with PURBANI's family members and industry well-wishers through musical and cultural performances, followed by lots of appreciations from industry leaders, the event brought about a magical atmosphere. Future comes with more possibilities of upcoming complex of PURBANI Fabrics Limited and PURBANI Fashion Limited.
PURBANI is very proud to be able to contribute in the nation's economy for the last 45 years. We are strong and committed in our principles. This means we prioritize in social welfare and safety of the workers. We invest in our technological capabilities, environmental safeguards to improve our product quality. We want to make it meaningful for every stakeholder in the value chain, and we believe that's the way forward.
Today we export to more than 25 countries worldwide, including USA, UK, UAE, Mexico, Poland, Norway, Thailand, Sweden, Switzerland, India, Italy, Spain, and many more. And by taking oath for contributing even better with greater sustainability for its stakeholders and the society through best quality product delivery in an efficient and environment-friendly manner. We believe the nation has a responsibility to make outstanding growth work for everyone. This means looking beyond the world we can create and enriching the lives of everyone we touch. With passion, dedication and vision, we hope to establish our role in the future of Bangladesh.